Deep within the realm of natural remedies, a world of potent herbs and ancient traditions awaits. Dr. Sebi's herbal formulas, shrouded in intrigue, promise to detoxify and rejuvenate the body, drawing upon the power of nature's apothecary. What's inside these mysterious blends? What secrets do these potent plants hold, and can they truly unlock a path to optimal health? Join us as we venture into the heart of Dr. Sebi's herbal legacy, unraveling the mysteries of these age-old remedies. Dr. Sebi's herbal formulas promise to detoxify and rejuvenate the body. What's inside these mysterious blends? In the heart of Dr. Sebi's healing philosophy lies a deep reverence for the power of plants. He believed that nature, in its purest form, holds the key to restoring and maintaining health. By tapping into the natural world, we can harness the energy and vitality that plants offer, leading to a more balanced and harmonious life. He believed that within their roots, leaves and flowers resided the keys to unlocking the body's innate ability to heal. This belief was not just theoretical. It was grounded in centuries of traditional knowledge and practices from various cultures around the world. Dr. Sebi's approach was to combine this ancient wisdom with modern understanding to create powerful healing formulas. Let us begin our exploration by delving into the origins and traditional uses of some of the most prominent herbs in his formulas. These herbs have been carefully selected not only for their individual properties, but also for how they work synergistically to support the body's natural healing processes. Our journey takes us first to the burdock plant, a familiar sight across Europe, Asia, and North America. This resilient plant thrives in a variety of environments, making it a versatile and accessible herb for many traditional healers. Its long taproot, often reaching deep into the earth, has been prized for centuries for its purported blood-purifying properties. The root's ability to draw nutrients from deep within the soil is believed to contribute to its potent healing effects. Traditional healers, recognizing its potential, employed burdock root to address a range of ailments, believing it could cleanse the body from within. It was often used in teas, tinctures, and poultices to treat skin conditions, digestive issues, and even joint pain. Next, we encounter sarsaparilla, a tropical vine native to the lush rainforests of Central and South America. This plant has a long history of use among indigenous peoples who valued it for its medicinal properties. Long before it became a popular ingredient in beverages, sarsaparilla held a place of honor in traditional medicine. It was often used to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to respiratory issues, and was believed to have powerful detoxifying effects. Its roots, renowned for their anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, were used to treat skin conditions, joint pain, and a host of other ailments. The plant's natural compounds were believed to help cleanse the blood and support overall health. Our exploration then leads us to the shores of the ocean, where we encounter sea moss, a type of red algae thriving in the cool, nutrient-rich waters along the Atlantic coasts. This seaweed has been a vital resource for coastal communities for generations, providing essential nutrients and minerals. This remarkable seaweed, a powerhouse of essential minerals and vitamins, has been a staple food source for coastal communities for generations. Its nutrient profile includes iodine, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, making it an excellent supplement for overall health. Its ability to support thyroid health, boost immunity, and promote healthy digestion has earned it a place of prominence in Dr. Sebi's healing protocols. Sea moss is often used in smoothies, soups, and even as a natural thickening agent in various recipes. These are but a few of the many botanical treasures found within Dr. Sebi's formulas. Each herb is chosen not only for its individual benefits, but also for how it complements and enhances the effects of the others. Each herb, carefully selected for its unique properties, plays a vital role in his holistic approach to health and well-being. By understanding and utilizing these natural gifts, we can take a proactive approach to our health, embracing the wisdom of nature to achieve balance and vitality. Dr. Sebi's approach to healing extended beyond simply using herbs. He aimed to understand the mechanisms by which these plants could restore the body's natural equilibrium. His philosophy was deeply rooted in the belief that the body, when given the right tools, has an innate ability to heal itself. This holistic approach emphasized not just the physical aspects of health, but also the mental and spiritual well-being of an individual. Central to his philosophy was the concept of removing toxins, which he believed interfered with the body's ability to heal itself. by eliminating these harmful substances. He posited that the body's natural processes could function more efficiently, leading to improved health and vitality. This detoxification process was seen as a foundational step in achieving overall wellness. Let's delve into the purported mechanisms by which these herbs work, exploring both anecdotal evidence and scientific studies. Understanding the synergy between traditional knowledge and modern science can provide a more comprehensive view of their potential benefits. This exploration can also highlight the gaps in current research and the need for further studies. Burdock root, with its long history of use as a blood purifier, is believed to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Traditionally, it has been used in various cultures to cleanse the blood and promote healthy skin. Its potential benefits are attributed to its rich content of antioxidants and other bioactive compounds. Some proponents suggest that its bitter compounds may stimulate the liver and kidneys, the body's primary filtration systems, to more effectively eliminate waste products. This stimulation is thought to enhance the body's ability to process and remove toxins, thereby supporting overall health. The liver and kidneys play crucial roles in maintaining the body's internal environment, and their optimal function is essential for well-being. While scientific research on burdock root's detoxifying properties in humans is limited, some preliminary studies in animals have shown promising results. These studies suggest that burdock root may indeed have a positive impact on detoxification processes, but more rigorous human trials are needed to confirm these findings. The potential for burdock root to support detoxification highlights the importance of integrating traditional knowledge with scientific inquiry. Sarsaparilla, often lauded for its anti-inflammatory properties, is thought to combat inflammation by reducing the production of certain chemicals in the body that contribute to the inflammatory response. This herb has been used traditionally to treat a variety of inflammatory conditions, and its potential benefits are being explored in modern research. This potential benefit has sparked interest in its use for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role. By potentially reducing inflammation, sarsaparilla may help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life for those suffering from such conditions. However, more clinical studies are needed to fully understand its efficacy and safety. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects, some studies suggest that sarsaparilla may indeed possess anti-inflammatory properties. These findings are encouraging, but they also underscore the need for continued research to validate these claims and explore the mechanisms behind them. Sea moss, a nutritional powerhouse, is believed to support cellular health by providing the body with a rich array of essential minerals and vitamins. This sea vegetable has been used for centuries in various cultures for its health benefits, and its nutrient profile makes it a valuable addition to modern diets. Its high iodine content is particularly noteworthy, as iodine is crucial for thyroid hormone production. The thyroid gland, which regulates metabolism, relies on adequate iodine levels to function properly. Deficiencies in iodine can lead to a range of health problems, including thyroid disorders. The thyroid gland plays a vital role in regulating metabolism, and deficiencies in iodine can lead to a range of health problems. Ensuring adequate iodine intake through sources like sea moss can support thyroid health and overall metabolic function. While more research is needed to confirm its specific benefits, sea moss's nutrient density makes it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can support various aspects of health, from immune function to skin health. It's important to note that while anecdotal evidence and traditional use provide valuable insights into the potential benefits of these herbs, more rigorous scientific research is needed to fully understand their mechanisms of action and confirm their efficacy. Bridging the gap between traditional knowledge and modern science can lead to a more holistic understanding of these natural remedies and their place in contemporary healthcare. Chapter 3. A Word of Caution. Navigating the world of herbal remedies safely. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of Dr. Sebi's herbal remedies, it's crucial to remember that even natural substances can have potent effects and should be treated with respect. Herbs, while natural, are powerful and can influence our bodies in significant ways. They have been used for centuries, but that doesn't mean they are without risks. While many find benefit in these ancient healing practices, it's essential to approach herbal remedies with a balanced perspective. acknowledging both their potential benefits and possible risks. Just like conventional medicine, herbal remedies require careful consideration and understanding. It's not just about what herbs can do for you, but also about how they interact with your unique body chemistry. One crucial point to remember is that herbs can interact with medications, potentially leading to unwanted side effects or reducing the effectiveness of prescribed treatments. This is particularly important for those on long-term medication or those managing chronic conditions. The interactions can be complex and sometimes unpredictable, making professional guidance indispensable. It's vital to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new herbs into your regimen, especially if you're currently taking medication or managing a health condition. A healthcare provider can help you understand the potential interactions and guide you on safe usage. They can also monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Furthermore, individuals with pre-existing health conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and children should exercise additional caution when considering herbal remedies. These groups are often more vulnerable to the effects of herbs, and what might be safe for a healthy adult could be harmful to them. Always prioritize safety and seek professional advice. What may be safe for one person may not be suitable for another, highlighting the importance of personalized guidance from a qualified healthcare provider. Each person's health profile is unique, and a tailored approach ensures that you get the most benefit with the least risk. While Dr. Sebi's legacy continues to inspire many on their wellness journeys, it's essential to approach his teachings with a discerning eye. His contributions to herbal medicine are invaluable, but they should be integrated thoughtfully into your health practices. Critical thinking and informed decision-making are key. The decision to incorporate herbal remedies into your health regimen is a personal one that should be made in consultation with a trusted healthcare professional. This ensures that your choices are safe and effective, tailored to your specific health needs and circumstances. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Your experiences and insights are invaluable to this community. Have you had any experiences with Dr. Sebi's herbal remedies or the individual herbs we've discussed? Your stories can help others navigate their own journeys. Share your thoughts, insights, and questions in the comments below. Let's build a supportive and informative community together. Let's continue this exploration together, fostering a space for open dialogue and shared learning. Together we can make informed decisions and support each other on our wellness journeys. Dr. Sebi's legacy, much like the intricate ecosystems that thrive in the natural world, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life. Just as a delicate balance sustains the rainforest, so too does a harmonious relationship with nature hold the potential to support our well-being. As we conclude our exploration of Dr. Sebi's herbal remedies, let us remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. May this exploration serve as a stepping stone, inspiring you to delve deeper into the world of natural remedies, always guided by a spirit of curiosity, respect, and a commitment to making informed decisions about your health.